for a 32-inch TV?
From across.
Is it the width?
No.
Not the width.
It's the length.
It's not the length.
The height.
It's not the height.
The area.
Diameter would be a circle.
Area.
Not the area, it would be squared.
It's the hypotenuse of the.
What
It's
the
the
fuck?
diagonal. On these TVs, when they say a measurement, they are not giving you the width. They are not giving you the height. They are giving you diagonal. That's the measurement that they're advertising. Diagonal across the TV.
15.
Well, in the merry month of May.
4 to 3 is objectively.
Okay, pulling out some
better
old school
aspect.
Irish classical.
Sinners.
So what we know,
Spanish ghosting.
if we're looking, why are you pulling like deep cuts on some Gaelic storm there? When we're looking at something like an 80-inch TV, what that 80 inches is the diagonal right here. This is what's 80 inches.
Hey, Brandon.
So what, you go into the skirmish and like, you know, be on the sideline, say half a Jamila from me?
We want, we're back up here. Back up here. Ooh, my
She got a
turn.
little, yeah. Yeah, and then, you know what to do with that?
Yeah, she posted on TikTok. On her story. It's not
Today?
more.
Ooh, things that catch your attention.
Oh!
I know, no. There, we're gonna look up
Miss
here.
B!
Oh my goodness, this is what we're looking at. I'm just pointing at things with dice so that I can get you to look at stuff.
Miss B, I want the die!
I know. When we're done. Oh my gosh.
What the fuck?
That's what you sound like. Oh my god. Be so for real. Oh my goodness. All right. So the diagonal is what this measurement is. We want to find the area of the TV. In order to find the area, what pieces do we need?
Joe.
Kaden, what's the answer?
Joe.
If I want to find the area, is that 80 inches going to be helpful?
No.
Not particularly. What do we need?
We need the length and the width.
I need the length and the width. I need to know what this side is, and I need to know what this side is. They don't tell us that on a TV. They just give us that one diagonal. But what TVs do have is a common ratio.
How do you say diagonal? Is it like D-I-A-G? No. Like how you spell it?
Oh,
D-I-A-G.
it's diagonally. Diagon. Oh. Which is why when they made it Diagon Alley for Harry Potter, it's diagonal. All right.
Guys! Silence!
Joe, that doesn't help.
Guys!
Caden doesn't help.
Silence!
That doesn't help.
Silence!
How many times do I have to say that doesn't help?
Do you have scotch tape that I can borrow?
What?
Well, they said we're gonna have 2 different equations. How many days until you start tweaking out?
Oh, I was gonna say, trust me, I know how many days are left in the semester, and then all of the little chitter chatter groups will wind up going into different classes. Because at the semester, we have a whole lot of shifting that happens. So I only got to put up with it for like 3 more weeks. I can deal with 3 weeks. I'll be all right.
Oh, that's aura.
Let's see. When we come back from break, it'll be 13 days when we come back from break. So we're
13
15 days we have to put up with the chitter chatter so
So
far.
you're telling me when we come back from break, we have 13 days of school?
13 days of school from the day to this.
What's that? Hold on.
No, don't spray that. You're going to trigger my asthma.
Oh.
Yeah, I do. Which is why I
Okay,
have
so-
unscented everything here.
16 and 9, that represents the height is 16 and 9. So
All right. Lock
Guys.
it back in. We got things to do. We have 2 TVs to find the area for it. We have not found a single side.
Ah. So
What
it's 80.
TVs have is a common ratio. This is true for TVs. That's true for this screen, TVs at home, most computer monitors as well. Use a 16:9 ratio.
What is a 16:9 ratio?
This
Roman, what's a 16:9 ratio?
This is a scale, like the ones we looked at.
Guys, can we please stop talking?
yesterday. Okay, pot, kettle, come on.
Kettle. Wait, what?
Kettle? We're kettle?
Yeah, pot, me, kettle.
Why are we
It's a
kettle?
phrase. Don't worry about it. I'm saying you do it too. Hush. 16:9 is a scale. What that means is for every 16 inches of width, there's 9 inches of height. This is a ratio. So what we know is whatever number of inches we're going to have on this side is going to be some multiple of 16.
Okay.
And whatever dimension we have on this side is going to be some multiple of 9. Now, it might be decimally and kind of gross. But what that tells me is I know that this is going to be 16 times some number. And the other side is going to be 9 times the same number. They are a scale. They work together.
Oh, that makes things so much easier.
So just like yesterday when we were looking at those maps and we said 1 inch on the drawing meant, or like 1 unit on the drawing was 1 scaled inch on real world. So if I measured an inch on the picture, that was 100 inches in the house. That's what this is talking about. It's using that kind of scale. So I want to know what these sides are. Because I need to know the length and the width so that I can find the area. The only number I actually know for this TV is that diagonal. So what we have here, I'm about to scare you guys a little. I have a triangle that has a side of 16x here. This side was our 9x. And this is 80. I just drew this without the top corner of the TV. Like all I did was cut off this corner. I just rewrote it down here. I want to be able to figure out what this side is and what this side is. What do we know about something like that? When we see triangles, what do we know?
2 of the sides are gonna be even, right?
Not necessarily going to be even.
Equal.
Only if it was an equilateral triangle.
Wait, I was about to say, if it's a regular triangle, yeah, but if it's this, we're gonna have a right angle.
We have a right angle. It's a right triangle because that's a TV. I have a right corner. Definitely. I was going to say, if we wanted to do something with angles, we could use one of those SOHCAHTOA guys to sign things.
SOHCAHTOA.
We don't need to do anything with the angles.
Opposite over hypotenuse, and then we have isn't the hypotenuse the opposite of the right angle?
Yes, that is the hypotenuse. What else can the hypotenuse help us with? Because y'all going a real hard way. You're going a real hard way.
What else can the hypotenuse help with?
What else do we know about the hypotenuse?
It's bigger than
It's,
bigger than 90 or bigger than 180.
That's, you're thinking angle now. We're thinking sides.
It's the biggest side
It's the biggest side.
and opposite to the right angle.
And what do we know about the two sides of a right triangle?
They add up to 180, right?
That'd be angles.
They add up to 90.
That's still angles.
Equals c squared.
A squared plus b squared equals c squared. We can use the Pythagorean theorem. It's a right triangle. When I take both sides, they should square and add up to the hypotenuse. So pulling in a little bit of old school geometry here, we can actually do this. 100% we can do this because I know two things about my legs. I know A can be my 9x, B could be my 16x, and C, that's my hypotenuse.
Yeah. So we can do 9 squared plus 16 squared equals...
Oop, 9x squared.
9x squared plus 16x squared equals 80x squared, or 80 squared.
80 squared. So this is going to be my 9x that's going to get squared, and my 16x that can be squared. And that's going to equal our 80
No.
squared. Bring it back in.
Guys.
Joe, that doesn't help.
Does anybody want some snacks?
No, we're not doing snacks right now. We are having a hard enough time focusing. We're not doing snacks.
I'm hungry, teacher, I'm hungry.
When we done, if we have time, maybe. But we've gotten way too off topic several times today.
I'm gonna eat that next.
It would not be recommended because it is not in fact food. So we can do this. We can multiply this out. What is 9x squared? 81x squared.
81 plus 184.
Try that again.
256.
256.
Hey, let's see. Pass out first.
Really no. That is not an okay game to play in any safe sense of the world. 6,400.
Lock in.
Bro. 6,400.
6,400.
Alright, 3.
What can we do next? Up here. What can we do next?
Yeah, you got it.
Simplify it.
More specific?
Yo.
Yes.
Yo.
Add them together. I've got 81 x squared and 256 x squared. We are up here, guys.
Oh, I know what we can do. Wait, squared.
We've got some like terms we can combine.
Oh, yeah.
I've got 81 things and 256 things. If we combine those together, how many things is that?
Approximately, 337.
337
337
x.
to the 4th.
Whoop.
X
If I have 81 apple pies and 256 apple pies, does it magically turn into 337 apple trees?
No.
Nope. It doesn't change. When we add, it does not change our powers.
Oh, we can, square root. Right?
We will want to square root, but what do we want to do first?
Because
I don't want to have to square root that 337. Ew. Gross.
Divide.
oh, we can,
Divide.
yeah.
Divide both sides by the 337. It's probably going to get decimally on us, and that's okay.
Probably. You're saying that, like, that means it will.
Yeah.
Oh. Yada, yada.
So our x squared is 6,400 divided by our 337. Give me 2 decimal places.
18, it's actually 19. Like 19 flat, it could be, right?
2 decimal places.
18.99.
18.99. Excuse me.
Thanks.
Square root.
Now we can do square root.
Now we can square root.
Good job.
Yay! He'll work. He was just saying he was like,
So we can do the square root of our 18.99. And we're gonna take 3 decimal places on this one.
4.357.
Check your rounding.
4.400.
4.35.
4.41.
3 decimal places.
Oh, 1.
3, 5. What's gonna go after the 5?
4.36.
Nope.
Wow.
We get 7, 7 as our decimal place.
8.
So that's gonna round up to 8.
Oh.
That's why I keep trying to call our attention. Because what we get in the calculator, I'm just gonna put this way up here at the top. 4.3577.
Is this the area?
No, this is. That's why this rounds up to 8. Is we got 3.577. This 7's
Guys.
the 7's bigger than 5, so it pushes that guy up. So when we rounded it, we got 3.58. This x is telling us what the sides are multiplied by.
Oh, 4.35.
So 16 times 4.358 gives us one side, and the 9 times 4.358 gives us the other side. We know it's got this ratio. We just didn't know what it was multiplied by because this screen also has a 16:9 ratio. This screen also has a 16:9 ratio. So it's all about that diagonal on how we can get that value. So the length of our TV, that's this one that was here, we said that was 16 times our x.
39. Okay, so for the long side, I got 69.728, and on the tall side, I got 39.222.
So find your area.
Oh, length times width.
Mm-hmm.
39.222 times 69.72. 2734.871.
All right.
88.
Yes. So the length of the long side of the TV, our very long direction,
Guys,
we have our 16 times our x. That's going to give us that length, which is,
Not helpful, Joseph.
you're doing too much, boy.
we should get 69.728 inches. Breathe. We can do the width very similarly. We've already built our relationship. We know that width is our 9 times the x, which means our width is that 9 times our 4.358. So we can get the actual number for our width.
So length times width equals area.
Mm-hmm. So we now know the length of this TV. I know that this 80-inch TV is 69.728 inches wide and 39.222 inches tall. We can find the area with length times width. I am running very short on space, so I'm going to put it over here by my triangle. So our area
2734.88.
is our length times width. So we're going to multiply those two numbers. I'm going to write it out. I know you're ahead of me, Joe. We're going to do the same thing with the littler one, with the other TV.
Oh, okay.
And then we're going to compare those two, and then we're done.
With the little TV?
With the 55. We did the 80-inch TV now. We're going to do the 55 one next. That's what the next page is.
Okay. So now it's just the same.
Same thing. Same process.
Except it's a smaller TV.
Except it's a smaller TV. So our area of this big TV, the 80-inch TV, when I take my 69.728 inches times 39.222 inches, we get that the area of our TV should be about 2,734.
So all we're doing is 9, 16, the difference is 55, right? Like on the triangle?
Yeah. It's still going to be our 9x, still going to be our 16x. The only difference is going to be the diagonal. 100%. So we have found the area of the 80-inch TV. This
Wait, 3,
structure.
2, 3, 2, 1, go.
What's up? I was going to say, only problem is I can't actually hear any of the questions because there's, again, 3 or 4 conversations happening among these 12 people.
Yeah, that's what it sounds like.
He's confused.
16x.
Okay.
You guys are the wrong answer.
I'm jolly.
Wrong answer doesn't necessarily mean confused. Errors are allowed. We are humans, not computers. We're not expected to have perfection.
He said he doesn't know what's going on in this class.
I really don't.
I was just saying, you can always come back up front. There's lots of space up here.
I'm good.
You don't want to see Joseph.
Yes!
I'm not.
There's lots of other chairs that are not just next to Joseph.
He doesn't want to see Joseph.
It's not that the options are next to Joseph or.
He doesn't want to see Joseph.
There's
No!
many choices.
He doesn't want to see Joseph. That's the
There
problem.
are so many choices.
His
that-
Buchach don't want to see Joseph.
I feel like I actually concentrate
Isolate
better.
them.
I actually feel like I concentrate better back
That's fine. I'm not saying you have to move. I'm just saying I can't hear your questions from up here unless you're much louder. because I am an old. All right, so we have found the area of the big TV. We want to know if this claim that there's double the TV is true. So we also need the area for the little one. So we're going to do this same kind of process for the 55-inch TV. That's what page 108 is about. You got a lot of blank space right there. Oh. We got to do that again for the other TV. It is the same structure. It still has that same ratio.
Yes,
It's still going to be set up as a 16 by 9. It's just going to have a different hypotenuse. It's a different diagonal.
Which room?
So if we do the same thing with the 55-inch TV,
He bleeding red.
Okay, I got 3,025 from the 256 and the 81X from 55 squared.
you're just way ahead of me. Give us a few minutes.
Sorry.
You're doing great.
Okay.
So if we look at the 55-inch TV, same deal, same process. We know the diagonal is going to be that 55. It still has that 16 by 9 ratio. That means that I could write this side as 16 times something, and this side as 9 times the same thing. I don't know what that number is. That's the first thing we have to solve for, because I need to know my length and my width so that I can find the area. The only dimension we're given on the box for the TV is the diagonal. Only thing we know is that. But we do know the screen ratio, because screens are coming 60 by 9 anymore. So we have this triangle. And we can set this up 100% the exact same way, using that Pythagorean theorem. So just as a reminder, we've got that going up here. What's she doing? What?
Hey,
What's
guys.
she doing?
What are we talking about, guys?
We're talking about the Pythagorean theorem.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, on how she's quite some theorem.
Yeah, totally. Definitely, totally. That's what she's bugging about.
She bugging again? The theorem bugging again?
That theorem, she bugging.
Maybe it's you. Maybe you're the problem.
Maybe you are the problem.
You might. I think yeah. Especially if you're trying to talk to the other theorem, the Maddie theorem.
Nope, we're gonna not chat with theorems like that.
I mean, yeah, they both bad. You gotta think, right? You can only have one. And whichever one you're not gonna have, I'm gonna have. Like that, comes up to you out of nowhere. Like, Maddie's so adorable. She's actually adorable.
I'm just actually write things correctly.
She's like, you think my hair looks cute? And from a voice perspective, I'm like, yeah, why? Like, you know, my basket's pretty full.
Oh, we know your basketball.
Guess who called me last night?
Pythagoras, because that's what we're talking about.
Bro, she over here talking you young.
I'm pretty sure it just means
It's actually
357X.
uh,
In this case,
She was probably thinking of that.
Yes. Yeah.
She was like, you almost got a home.
Until we get
She
to
was like,
the
you almost got a
point where
home.
we
You
cross the
in the rain
equal
right now.
sign,
Come home. Like,
the left-hand side is going to be exactly the same. It's still going to go 256x squared, 81x squared. It's going to simplify down to be that 337. So we have a lot of different ways to get through this. And we've already been through the hardest part, where we had to figure it out.
8.98. Sorry.
So you're good. Yeah, you're headed that way. So we still have our 256x squared and our 81x squared combining to be our 3,025. So our process on the left-hand side of this equation is the exact same until we get to here. And in fact, our next step's still the same. We're just going to get a different answer. Because we still would like to figure out what this x is. I want to be able to square root the x, so I need to divide it by that 337. It's that same number. This is how we can figure out what the sides of the TV are, because we need to know what x squared is.
So, how's your roster doing?
I don't have one of those.
You said you did.
Man, that's like the only choice you can have now these days. You can't trust it. Fucking no. I mean, fudge no.
Yeah, thank you, doctor.
What did you say? Oh.
What is the x for the 55-inch TV? 2.996.
You don't want to. I'm not talking about
I
that.
think I heard her name before, like freshman year, but then.
All right, find the length, the width, and the area of this TV.
Oh, I got it.
So then hold it for a second, let me find it. Find the length, the width, and the area of this TV. Read down the hard part. How about we find the whole length and the whole area of the TV? We're gonna find the whole length and the whole width.
Miss B.
What's up?
Is this good?
So funny, bro.
What is? Oh, is that the area?
Yeah. That's
I don't remember off the top of my head. So, how much more area does he have?
All right, some chapter.
Find the difference. Is it double? Is it double what the little one is? So see if we can find the length for this.
All right, you know what? At this point, it's out of our control, man.
Like, first it was one, then it became two.
It became two, then it
Then
became.
three, then who knows the fourth one? Oh, oh.
I got five. You a big four star? I got five. I got five.
You know, TJ's best friend.
We know the diagonal's gonna be 55.
Guys.
We've got a length and a width to find so that we can find an area.
We have the square root.
We do.
I think I found it.
Wait, let me see my hand quickly. Let me get clear here. Your hands is small. Wait,
You got
these
that?
6, 7, these baby hands, bro. What is your hand? Stop inching your hand up. You got baby hands for 6, 7, man.
You're 6'7"? 6'7"?
6, 7.
6'7"?
6, 7.
6'7"?
Yo, you giving like gym.
Jim, right?
You're giving gym right. You're giving. I don't do nothing but go to crunch and go.
Oh,
home.
yeah.
What's your grade in here?
Yeah, I just do the homework. Yeah.
Is it
I
A?
just, I don't know why I said that.
As long as we're in our
Okay, cool.
So what is the width of this TV, the long side?
47.952. Oh, the width? 26.973.
There, we were looking at the other one. So we should be at, the long side is the width, our 47, we should be at 936 or 94. 32 decimal places. Oh, we did 3. Okay. So we should be at 936 inches, 47.936.
What?
16 times 2.996?
26 point. Oh, 47.93. Oh, I got. Not fudge.
Did you round your x different? And that'll make very minor differences. Your answer should still be okay. The rounding will make maybe an
I
inch
think
or two.
that's my problem.
How you doing, man?
The rounding was.
What? Italian.
So what's the other direction? What is the height on this one?
26.9.
And change.
973.
Very close. We're going 964, but that is barely less than a tenth of an inch. You're fine.
Oh, that I rounded. Okay, so that 8976, I rounded up to 8.98. That's right.
That would be where it is. Yeah. That's
And the
where it comes.
2.996, I did 2.997. Because I looked at the fourth one instead of the third.
Yeah, that's okay.
What did you say?
So what is the area of this TV?
1293441.
Or I was gonna say I'm gonna be 1.92.5.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
like within an
My
inch.
answer is not right.
Yours is gonna be within an inch of it though, so it's really dang on close. All it's off is the rounding. So like we're in it's a really good place. We're doing a project.
Oh, we're doing a project again?
The next test we have will be the final. My goal with this class was to
Is
make
it
it.
optional to take?
Nope.
Like, if we have a good grade in here?
No. Like we have to take it. That is not something I get to choose.
Oh, I thought it was in the bullshit. I thought it was. Jasmine don't gotta know.
She doesn't know who Jasmine is.
Jasmine is his wife.
I mean,
What? He's got a wife
Jasmine
and
Fisher, who
He's got a wife and kids at home.
I do know.
You do know her?
Yeah, I've had her in class before.
She saw one of those?
I don't remember. I've
Yeah,
had Jasmine
He's
before.
got a wife and kids at home.
I mean, I got a husband and
They
kids.
have 2 kids. One plays soccer and one does gymnastics. Just like their parents.
They're expensive. We're almost to the end of the conversation. We're still trying to figure out. Don't do that. That's very loud, and it's very clear through the walls, and sounds like trouble. So we found the area of both TVs. All we've got to do now is see is the area of the big TV more than double the little TV? That's what they're claiming. How much more area does the big TV have than the little TV? So we found our 2 areas.
144, 1.47. I'm a little off, guys. Okay.
It's okay. It's getting the point across. We should still have the same kind of answer. Sup?
Okay, now I'm confused.
Oh, well.
Hang on. And this is the area of our 55-inch TV.
For real?
How much more TV does the 80-inch have over the 55? Ain't go back.
14411.475235417.
Oh, Prodigy was such a
3.1415926.
3.5671445676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767public
Six.
Stop.
Check Faymore, check Faymore.
8989.
They're taking a test over there.
Oh.
Adrian.
Let him focus. He hears you through the wall.
Again.
He's mentioned me several times, like, they shout my name all class. And he's talking to his friends in the hallway.
Good luck, Adrian.
No, just let him.
Good luck.
Good luck, Mud.
Good luck, Charlie.
How can I find out what the difference is in the areas of these TV?
Subtract them.
Subtract them. 2, 7.
Imagine they just every last one of them. That would be top 5 0-star movie. You'll go from 5 to 0 stars.
What is the difference?
144.1.475. 1.441.47. Well, 1442 point.
And change. I'm gonna get the decimal for you.
It's over 9,000.
It is not over 9,000.
Hey guys.
Joe, that doesn't help. Please stop. Log back in. We have 5 minutes and about a half a question.
Good wrong, hard wrong.
We have about a half a question. We've found the difference.
The 80-inch TV has 1,400 more square inches of TV.
Bring it over here. Bring it over here. Boys, turn this way.
Oh, it's nice.
I'm gonna start I have to get keys out so I can jingle the keys at you guys like your toddlers. I know. We have about half a question left. Is the area of the 80-inch TV more than double?
Thank you.
Yes, it is.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it is. The 80-inch TV is more than double the 55-inch TV.
Yep. Ball knowledge. Ball game.
Because this is more than that. So even if I doubled this number, I wouldn't quite get all the way there.
Isn't 80 already bigger than 55?
80 is bigger than 55, but it is not double 55.
That's right. That is correct.
So,
One,
like,
four,
when they
four,
say
eight,
an
nine,
80-inch,
three, two,
please
six,
stop
five.
chanting the numbers.
Okay.
So when they say that these kinds of things happen, this really happens in advertising. It's like more than double the screen, more than double the pizza. When the measurements are given as diagonals or as things like diameters and they're talking area, it does not take a lot to more than double it. So yeah, it is.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
The whole point is that the silence between is supposed to get longer because you count on the same beat. Okay, so that's where we're going for today. That was the end. Ta-da.
Amazing job.
Practice using those scales, using those ratios, remembering what those are for.
Miss B,
You know,
That.
so is there a final test?
no.
The final exam is a test, yes.
Oh no.
The end of the chapter, like this chapter, will be another project. And then finals, like when we're talking December 63, we will have a test.
How many points do that final be?
I literally don't get to make that choice.
Okay, well.
I would if I could. That's why we have projects instead of tests. That's my decision. I am not the boss enough to make that call. That comes from like school board and department chairs and principals. As far as no.
You don't want to?
No. I was gonna say, but I don't get to make the choice. As far as I have ever been told, is that the math finals are not optional for any of the courses. It's not. We don't get to do that. English has some other considerations, but as far as we have been told, math can't do an exempt final. I think it has to do with the way that schools get rated is based on certain amounts of grades, and it's all bureaucracy and not anything. But
Is the project gonna be fun?
the final? Oh, the project? I think so. It's something I've genuinely made in my real life several times.
Is this at Lafayette Jet?
I'll have the details for you guys tomorrow. We will have a very short period, but I'll have the project information for you guys.